Hi guys, very warm welcome. I am Maahek Nair and thank you for watching BodyProCoach channel. Request you to please subscribe our channel. We have more than 250 videos for you on the channel. It includes videos on nutrition, training, food. That means everything you need for fitness on one platform. Ever thought a spring roll can be tasty, healthy? Let's see the ingredients. What are we doing today? 6 whole eggs. Oil for cooking. So I have 1 cup of red bell peppers, green, yellow and some spring onion. Himalayan salt. In a bowl, first to the eggs I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to add the red bell peppers. Then I have cream. Then I have some yellow. And lastly some spring onion. You could also add black pepper for taste and some spices if you want, like paprika. So our Spanish egg spring roll is ready. Somebody who's a non-vegetarian can also add salami, chicken salami or bacon to it to add more taste to it. Somebody who's a vegetarian will stick to the same ingredients what I used. 2 quick benefits: loaded with proteins, low in carbohydrate. That means will keep you great in shape, will get you lean muscle mass. Thank you.